Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling a super common query: how to view Telegram videos on your iPhone in 2025. With Telegram's constant updates, it's more user-friendly than ever, but we'll walk you through it step by step so you can enjoy those videos hassle-free. First things first, make sure you have the Telegram app installed. If you don't, head over to the App Store, search for Telegram, and download it. It's free and quick. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your phone number or existing account. If you're new, follow the simple setup prompts to get started. Now, let's get to the fun part. Open your chats or channels where the video is located. Telegram organizes everything neatly, so scroll through your conversations or search for the specific chat. When you find the video message, it might show as a thumbnail or a play button. Go ahead and tap on it. The video will start playing right in the app, and you'll notice the high-quality playback, especially with 2025's enhanced features like better compression and faster loading times. If the video doesn't play smoothly, check your internet connection or switch to Wi-Fi for the best experience. You can also tap the full screen button for a more immersive view or use the controls to pause, rewind, or adjust the volume. One cool tip: if you want to save the video, long press on it and look for the download option. It's straightforward and keeps your favorites handy. Remember, Telegram prioritizes privacy, so videos from private chats stay secure. And if you're dealing with group videos, you can react or reply directly from the player. There you have it. That's all it takes to view Telegram videos on your iPhone in 2025. It's quick, seamless, and perfect for staying connected with friends, family, or your favorite communities. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.